This, everything is gone now, and still the fire is there. As per the sources, this came out because of electric circuit. It's very unfortunate, very unfortunate. The fire brigade managed to control this, or else it have gone beyond all this. See, all the stops totally burned down. Unfortunate. So this is so cruel, and then I'm sure the people in concern, they'll try to help out, they try to sort out. I'm going to update this for the information of all of us. I have to be very careful, very cautious with all this proper managing. It's all gone. Looks like the fire started somewhere out here, because all these houses are gone. Oof. So losing the rice, and then all these chatties, all this. Oh ho ho! Very unfortunate things. It's fully gone. All this, and okay, see, for teller, for and switched. Updating some news. I think all these are dormitory where they were sleeping. Quater though. Fishery. Okay, fishery. Quater. So yeah. Showing fabricate na fire heat control some, yeah. Okay. This is a fishery quarter, and then looks like the sources is not properly confirmed. Nonetheless, this is how the fire has destroyed. Very unfortunate on my part. I feel with these families who are residing all over here, not because they lost their houses or anything of that sort, but as a family to just burn down all their belongings, properties. I'm sure some documents will be burned down, so it's very unfortunate.